Extrajudicial Executive Victim Families Association Manipur Eevfam President Renu Takhelambam has called on the government to deliver genuine justice for extrajudicial killings rather than using the issue merely as an election manifesto gimmick. Speaking at Eevfam's 17th Foundation Day at Langyanba, Sanglen, President Renu strongly criticized political parties for weaponizing human rights violations to win elections. She pointed out that while politicians promised justice and pledged to set up a truth commission during campaigns, these promises are always broken. She criticized that successive governments, legislators and political parties routinely weaponize the issue of extrajudicial killings during elections as a tool for political mudslinging to garner votes, only to abandon the cause once they secure power. She also expressed deep frustration over the lack of real progress following the Supreme Court's order for a CBI investigation into the Manipur killings. Renu noted that multiple CBI investigations involving the army and paramilitary forces are completely stalled as Ministry of Home Affairs refuses to grant prosecution sanctions. The event also featured a lengthy panel discourse titled, "Thus the 2019 deadline set to completely eradicate insurgency in the North is likely to begin fake encounters again." Moderated by social scientist Dr. Dhanabrilaisham, the panel included former additional SP Thongnawjam Brinda, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Associate Professor Dr. Homen Thangjam, United News of India, Imphal Bureau Chief Ningthau Khongjam Satyajit, and human rights defender Advocate Wahengbam Joykumar.
However, 2017 da aina sigi matang na panjari je election me aduna chala banina victim family sing da promise to biramba koi BJP gi lengak sta aina pen da phungdok chaning badi makoin hek haye bako koi asfa armed forces special power act amadi fake encounter gi cases sing asida miyeng changani nakoi gi damak ta koi lekoni truth commission semgani aduga athuba da case sing ase conviction piraga casing di loisana bo honna minasi haibase akoi yanagi ba wari saba laye bako adubu ngasi phawbada makoi na haigi ba wasu akoi da kaisu Hazabu Piraktre, Akogi Asaju, Mokoi, the Hazabam, the late BJP Lengaxta, BJP, Congress, Kina, Hunaraga, Makoi, Makogi, Asweba Singze, see Matam, the senior Hunaraga, Labima Hutapo in Haina, Palapalapa Sagado, Akogi di Lenga, BJP na Pangira, Congress na Pangira, Haibam Popa, Akogi victim Hamnigi site the Mapung Hana Trians at Tabiraga, Kari the Swedi, Kari the Wally casing a CSM, Mokoina. Masi power law biba high biba samta late po. Adu gipen da ban ngai ta badudi lengak ta lei jai